Okay, guys, with this quick video, I would like to show you how to earn from a free traffic change. Everyone can do this processing, and like everyone if you wish to make money online, you need a product and you need traffic. I will show you free traffic that you can use to promote your link, and you can earn unlimited cash every single day. Okay, so first we need a product. So step one, uh, let's go to Google and search for, you can see, mass traffic monster, and you will find unlimited results. Mass traffic monster is a traffic software. You can promote everything using this great traffic software, and we will promote this product, so we can earn 50% per sale. Okay, so basically, like you see, there is unlimited results. Many affiliate marketers promoting this software, and I will show you how you can promote this software and make a commission every single day. Okay, so you can see this is the sales page for this product. This is mass-trafficmonster.com. So visit. We will visit this website so we can get our affiliate link. Okay, so step one, go to, you can see, basic plan. You don't have to purchase. Okay, we only want to create our affiliate link. So basically, you can see here, you can see buy now, and go to this page. Okay, you don't have to purchase. This is only to create a affiliate link. Now go to your browser and get the link for this product, and I will put here so I can show you how to create your affiliate link. So basically, this is the link for this product, but this is not your affiliate link. Okay, so let's uh, get our ID. I will show you how to get your ID. So when you visit this website, you have to create your account. This is free. Like you see, you will get 50% a commission from every sale. Now, how to get your affiliate ID? All you have to do is go to the end of this page. You will find here affiliate program. Go to affiliate program, and you will find this uh, option. How do I become, sorry, not this option. You have to go to what are my affiliate link. Okay, remember, you have to go to what are my affiliate links and click here, visit. You will get this page. Okay, now basically, when you visit this page, you will find uh, this linking ID. Okay, you can see slash linking slash your ID and slash. Okay, now basically you have to copy all this line from the slash to the slash. Okay, so let's copy, and let's back to our link here. Okay, Now, like you see, there is on this link you can see the domain codeclerks.com. Okay, codeclerks.com, and you can see here's a slash. Okay, now all you have to do is uh, select the slash and click uh, paste and type your linking ID. Now, basically, this is your affiliate link. On this case, this is my affiliate link. Let's check it on our browser, and we will get this link. I will copy again. Okay, I will put the link here again. You can see now my affiliate link. I have my ID and I have here a affiliate. Okay, so basically you can promote this link or this link. This is no matter. Okay, but you can promote this link. Now, if you want, you can short this link on Bitly. Okay, and then you can start promote it. Okay, so I will show you how to short this link. Just go to Bitly dot bit.ly.com and go to create and type this link, your link, okay? And you will get this shorting link. Let's copy and put here so I can show you. Okay, so this is the my shorting link. I will test it on my browser, okay? And I will get the product and I will get uh, my ID on my affiliate link. So everything is okay. Now all you have to promote this link. Okay. Now how to get free traffic using a traffic exchange and how to get a commission every single day. Okay. Now remember you will get 50% per sale a commission, and this is a great commission. And let's start. I will show you there is unlimited free traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. But today I will show you one website that you can use to get 1,000 visitors every single day for free. Okay, so first go to Google and type, you can see Making Money Academy. Okay, let's search for Making Money Academy and we will get this website, makingmoneyacademy.net. Okay, so let's visit and we will get here unlimited free traffic that we can use to promote our affiliate link. Okay, so basically I recommend to use all these websites. This is a free traffic. There is a tethers.com. This is a great and traffic splash, also great to promote my media ad.com. This is a fantastic and million leads for free. There is unlimited free traffic, but I will show you one website for this video. Okay, today I will show you one free traffic to start getting 1,000 visitors every single day for free, of course. Okay, you have to visit or go, sorry, best free solo ads for affiliate marketing. You can see this website called Hercules. Okay, so let's visit so I can show you how exactly you can promote your link for free and get a limited free traffic. Okay, this is 1,000 visitors for free every single day. Okay, so let's visit and you will get this page. Now, all you have to do, there is a login. Go to login and type your username and password and click login. Okay, now basically this website is very great to promote your affiliate link, and this is a fantastic to promote a mass traffic master software. And you can see here there's members. Okay, in the menu, go to members, and then you have here in the top add mailers. Okay, so let's visit and again continue to add mailers. Okay, now like you can see free members can send and add daily to 1,000 random members. Now this is free traffic, so I recommend to start with this option. Also, you can, if you don't have a credit here, you can go to ads and surf. You can see blurs or ads. You can click one of them and surf websites, and you will get a credit, and then you can send your link or solo ad using this option. Right now, you can see you can I have here yes, so I can submit my website to 1,000. Now basically all I have to do is first let's get my link. Remember, this is the link, so I will copy and type here. Okay, now this is my link. Now this product talking about traffic, this is a fantastic traffic software to get unlimited traffic to promote any affiliate link. This software is fantastic to promote clickbank or max bounty or any affiliate program. So let's type here something like get unlimited traffic, leads, referrals, and sales guaranteed. Okay, something like this. Okay, and we can copy this link, this text, and type uh, here, and we can. Okay, this is for example. You can type here uh, anything you wish. Okay, you can change your title or text. Okay, and you can type something like Richard. Okay, something like this or team. Okay, you can type here anything you want. Okay, you can change, you can do anything you want. Okay, this is free and you can send 1,000 every single day. So this is a fantastic traffic and I really recommend to use it. Now all you have to do is click submit ad. Okay, like you see, ad successfully submit to 1,000 members. Okay, now you will get 1,000 visitor to your affiliate link. And basically, you have to do this every single day. Okay, this will take 5 minutes from your time. So I recommend to use this option and send your link. Do exactly what I show you right now, and you will make sales and you will make money from this system. Okay, so uh, how much money you will make from this system? I will show you my proof how many I am doing from this. I will log in. Uh, 1 minute. Sorry, I have to go to my. Okay, now I am in. So I will show you some of proof. Like you see, I already have here over $500. Let's visit. I will show you the history, okay, how much I make from this system. You can see I already made 34,000, okay, 34,000. And you can see this is all the sales I make from this system. Okay, I will show you withdraw history, okay, so you can understand. Now, basically, you can cash out your money to a Pioneer or a PayPal. This is your uh, choice. Okay, you can do cash out to Pioneer or PayPal. In the beginning, I made my cash out to PayPal, like you see here, and then I changed it to Pioneer. And basically, you can see every cash out. This is $1,500, and you can see the debt that I made a cash out. Now, all you have to do, guys, this is really very easy method. I recommend to start now. Remember, there is unlimited free traffic. Like I said, you can visit also. Um, let's see a traffic splash. Let's go so I can show you an example. Let's go to login. You can see here my ad. You can add your site to sites or rotators or banner or text ad. Okay, and then all you have to do and click surf now and get free credit and free traffic every single day for free. Okay, this is very simple. All you have to do, click captcha and get credit and get free traffic. Okay, so basically, uh, I hope you like this method. This is very simple method, and everyone can use it. If there's something you didn't understand, please save this video in your browser, in your favorite, and watch this video again and again so you can understand exactly how to make this free cash every single day. Okay, this is real money, and if I can do it, you can do it too. Okay, so thank you again for watching this video. I hope you will start using this method even today so you can make money even this week. Okay, thank you again and have a good luck.